Welcome to AmbitionBox. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to invite your employees to rate for AmbitionBox Employee Choice Awards. To get started, log in using your registered email ID. Enter the OTP sent to your inbox. From the main navigation menu, go to the Rate Your Employee section. Click on ABECA under it. You can share the invitation through email, a direct link, or a QR code. If you choose to use the link, simply copy it and share it with your employees. To invite via QR code, download the QR code or the ready-to-use poster and share it accordingly. If you prefer email invitations, enter your employees' official work email addresses in the designated field and send the invites. Confirm it by clicking on Send Email. Once sent, employees will receive an email on their official email address with a link to rate the company. The employee opens the email, clicks on Rate Anonymously, and the rating screen opens. After completing the rating, the employee clicks Submit to successfully share their review. It's that easy. If you face any issues, please reach out to us via support@ambitionbox.com. Thank you.